Sound.
Dunmare's New Lights ding all this time. It's 99.1 The Sound. It's where the music matters most. Lisa Brickhouse hanging out with you. Be safe out there if you are here on the Outer Banks. And if you need any information, we've got it for you 24/7 right there at OuterBanksVoice.com. Also on Facebook. Follow us on social media. Post up information that you have because we do want to know. And please be safe out there.
Legend has it, the wild horses of Corolla arrived here on Spanish ships more than 425 years ago. Today, there are only about 100 horses left in the highly threatened wild herd. Respect the horses, do not approach, and never ever feed.
Wild horses can only digest natural beach grasses. Offering apples or carrots or anything else is not kindness. It can kill. Wild horses, admire from afar and never feed them. For you, it is illegal. For them, it's deadly.
An important message from Dominion Energy. With severe weather predicted for our region from Hurricane Florence, being prepared can help keep you safe. Check your flashlights, battery-operated radios and generators, and fill your vehicle's fuel tank. Charge mobile phones and make sure your electronics are connected to surge protectors. Stock up on non-perishable foods, medicines, baby supplies, batteries, and pet food. In the event of power outages, Dominion Energy will work as quickly as possible to restore service, starting with hospitals, emergency call centers, and other critical services. If you see a downed power line, please stay away. To report downed power lines or power outages, call 1-866-DOM-HELP. That's 1-866-366-4357. The quickest way to report and check the status of outages is by visiting DominionEnergy.com. Thank you.
99.1 The Sound, where the music matters most. 99.1. .1 The Sound. New studio, new request line. Call the Sound at 480-9910. .1 The Sound is WVOD, Manteo, Corolla, Duck.
From the Outer Banks Voice, I'm Sam Walker with a Hurricane Florence update. Seeing those rain and wind bands moving across northeastern North Carolina and the Outer Banks this evening. That's going to continue overnight tonight. We do have the possibility of tornadoes popping out of these rain bands, so please keep a radio on through the overnight hours in case those warnings have to be issued, and take the advice of those warnings if they are issued. Dare County continues to restrict access to only critical personnel pass holders, priority 1 level pass holders only. Also, Highway 12 south of Oregon Inlet is closed due to overwash. It's been reported throughout Hatteras Island tonight. That's expected to increase as we get to high tide between 11 and midnight tonight. That overwash problem. It's only sand and water on the road, so they've not reported any damage to the road. That's good news so far, but inspections will have to take place before traffic can resume on Highway 12 on Hatteras Island. The only curfews that remain in place right now are in Hyde County and in Ocracoke. That curfew from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. and in Perquimans County from 8 p.m. until 6 a.m. That does not apply to traffic traveling on US 17 through Perquimans County. Those are the only curfews we've had reported to us so far. Had a chance to take a ride around Nags Head, Manteo, and Wanchese this evening, and I can tell you one thing. The sound is down. The water's moving to the south. That's why we've had the reports of river flooding and soundside flooding down on the southern end of the Pamlico Sound and in Newbern and in Craven and Carteret counties. All that water in the sounds has been pushed south by the northeast and east winds. That's expected to continue through tomorrow. We're not expecting to see a major shift in wind direction and push that water back towards us on the Outer Banks once the storm center makes its landfall around Wilmington tomorrow. We'll be with you right here all night long and at OuterBanksVoice.com. I'm Sam Walker.
Here is the latest on Hurricane Florence as it heads for the North Carolina coastline. Hurricane force winds now occurring along the North Carolina coastline, especially in the area down by Cherry Point Marine Corps Air Station, where they've just recorded wind gusts in excess of 80 miles an hour. At 8 p.m., the storm is located at 33.9 degrees north, 76.4 degrees west, 85 miles east-southeast of Wilmington, North Carolina. Maximum sustained winds holding around 100 miles an hour. Movement to the northwest at 5 miles an hour. The storm is wobbling a little bit across the area, bringing very heavy rain and squalls to us here in eastern portions of North Carolina. And along with that, we will continue to see the expectation of storm surge and coastal flooding over the area. So once again, as of 8 o'clock tonight, Hurricane Florence, 85 miles east-southeast of Wilmington, maximum sustained winds 100 miles an hour, moving to the northwest at 5 miles an hour. I'm meteorologist John Bernier.
Thank you, John. See you, Manteo at 9:03. And just a reminder, we do have a tornado warning in effect for Lower Hatteras Island, Frisco, Hatteras Village, and Ocracoke until 9:15 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm with a possible tornado moving northwest at 70 miles an hour. Now, when that warning was issued, that cell was coming on shore, since crossed Hatteras Island and moved out in the Pamlico Sound, so that warning should be expiring shortly. We do have a tornado watch until 7 a.m. for all of the listening area because the rain bands are spinning on shore. Most of the heaviest weather still down to the south. The farther south you go in North Carolina, but Hatteras Island, Lower Hatteras Island especially, getting the worst of the effects, and Ocracoke right now, and that is continuing and expected to possibly continuing north up onto the North Beach as we go through the overnight hours. We'll keep you up to date right here and at OuterBanksVoice.com. I'm Sam Walker on The Sound.